Watch Netflix and stuff like there. And
it's got a dynamic air suspension.
Check this out. Right here at Victory Bar. The one and only. Wow, look at that screen. That's huge. What's that, 18?
Yeah, I think it's like 18.5 or something like that.
Wow. Nice.
And let's see if it'll, does it lower? Here's a dynamic air.
Oh, it's got airbags.
see it lower.
I didn't know that.
See it lower.
Oh, that's awesome.
So we can go real high.
Check it out.
It's got the, let me see. I'll show you the four-wheel steer.
Get out of here.
Yeah, this is pretty good.
This is awesome. I'm going to shut this, all right?
See how the
See
tires
the
go?
rear
Oh, sorry. See how
No.
they go 2 different directions?
See the back wheel?
Oh, shit. I see. I can't even get that on one video. Go. I got you. Oh, that's how you get over something. That's how you get over something. Nothing stopping you from getting over anything. Have you tried anything going off terrain or?
I'm not like a, she had like a little Ford Explorer Sport Track, so, and I never had a truck, so like I never did off-roading.
Yeah.
I want to check it out,
Yeah.
but yeah.
But it turns really quick. Like you would like.
What other features does it have? Does it have any?
But yeah, it's got like a ton.
It's got an off-road mode, a water mode.
It's got like.
I mean, this is sick, dude.
This is it's got like here's all the menus.
Look how big the windshield is. That's crazy.
So yeah, it's
Do the windshield wipers touch the top? Do they go all the way up or?
Almost, yeah.
Oh yeah, they go. Oh wow.
It's one big giant.
I wish I had that on my Cadillac.
yeah, it's a trip.
This
That's
thing
awesome.
turns better than my sports.
How do you open up the doors though? I'm curious.
Button.
Dash.
Oh okay. For both. Oh, you just. Oh wow. All right, we learned something new. Oh, we got. Oh, I thought that was broken glass. It's somebody. What's that? Is that your signature?
No, it just says Cybertruck.
It says
Oh.
like
It looks like my daughter did it.
it's supposed to look like
Graffiti. Welding. Yeah, that's what I thought it was. All right, well, I appreciate you, man. What's
Yeah,
your
no
name?
problem. I'm Jeff.
Chris. Very
nice
nice
to
to
meet
meet you, man. God bless you guys and drive safe. Thank you.
Thank you.
Yeah, enjoy the rest of your weekend.
Yo,